Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Apple ID access and that the computer runs the latest iTunes or uses Finder. This ensures compatibility. Plug the iPhone into the computer, unlock it, and tap Trust when prompted so the device can communicate. Once done, open Finder or iTunes and select the connected iPhone. Make sure you see the device summary. This first step establishes the secure link you need to fetch an Icloud backup and prevents errors later when you request data restoration. Now you select Restore Backup in Finder or iTunes and pick the backup by date because you want the correct snapshot of your device. Check backup size against available iPhone storage. If the backup is larger, clear space or pick a smaller backup. If the backup resides in iCloud rather than local storage, sign into iCloud to download it before restoring. Enter your Apple ID, and if the backup is encrypted, type the encryption password so the restore can proceed securely and without interruption. Allow the restore to run to completion while the iPhone stays connected. Interruption can corrupt the process. When the device restarts, follow on-screen steps to sign into your Apple ID and re-enable services such as iMessage and FaceTime. This restores encrypted keys and synced content. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Reboot both computer and iPhone, switch USB ports or cable, confirm stable internet. Then retry the restore. These fixes resolve most transfer and authentication errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.